2020. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Well, we want to make sure that they flew as much as they could. And when we organize races, we actually evaluate for the most part on the number of times that they fly, the pack count. And it's not a bunch, but then also with the rough gates and the RF environment, sometimes, you know, you don't want to fly it a million times and destroy all your gear. And we are down to 1 with 1:20 still to go. That's the Hawaiian Hammer. So in the future of drone racing, eventually this downlink that we're showing you right here will be digital. This is analog. This is 480. This is standard definition. This is before you got an HD TV. It is stretched on a 4K monitor. We stretch it up to, I think, 720. So you're going to see way more artifacts than you're seeing in the goggles. But you can see it's not crystal clear like you see on Drone Racing League on DRL. DRL, or Drone Racing League on ESPN, actually uses GoPro footage and edits it after the fact. There is no digital downlink, for the most part, that is on the market today for drone racing that is instant with no latency. That's why we are using 1980s technology. The cameras on the drone, I'm going to say about 95% of them are actually security cameras, or basically come from a security camera family. The reason being they're very easy to replace. 15 seconds still to go for the Hawaiian Hammer. With drone racing, as we've seen over the course of yesterday and today, it's not if you're going to crash, it's when and how much damage. Hopefully it's just props, but oftentimes it's cameras, because you're flying an FPV like you're in the cockpit and you're always going straight and aiming at your targets. And we've seen a bunch of pilots, newer ones, aiming for the top of the gates instead of the center. Hawaiian Hammer here working on lap number 3. He's about 9 seconds off his personal best so far, but if this last one is any better, he's about 19th right now. You might need a personal best hot lap. Flying through that snowstorm. And through we go, 3 laps, 2:42, about 8 seconds off of, actually 4 seconds off his personal best, so not the worst. Yeah,